Hi everyone, I'm back and I am Briant and I'm your all-around vlogger. So for today's video, I'm going to show to you on how I cook my special beefy lasagna. So I have mentioned in my previous video that one of the things I love to do is actually cooking. So first time that I'm going to share this one to you. So hopefully you will love it and you can actually apply this one if during special occasions or if you like feeling eating a lasagna or beefy lasagna. So let's watch this video and enjoy. First thing, we have to heat the pan. And if the pan is already hot, then we put the butter, melt the butter, so we stir the butter up until everything melts. So the butter already melts. Let's put the garlic and the onion at the same time, and then both will be sauteed until it becomes golden brown. One of the secrets, we put pepper while it goes golden brown for both garlic and onion. And then we just mix, we stir up until you can smell already the peppery scent. Just stir. After that, now we put the beef. Please make sure that it's ground beef that you have, okay? And it's fresh. How will you know if it's fresh? It has a little bit of blood. Then we put everything, and then there. Okay, we put the blood. So once our beef is cooked, then we put the sausage. So we chopped the sausage. There we go. Let's put everything. For this one, I made use of the Vienna sausage. Then let's put the carrots. As you can see, it's really chopped and very tinily. Just kidding. Just tiny. There, so we put everything. Then let's put the seasoning. Then we put the bell pepper or the sweet pepper. And then we stir. Then we put the chopped mushroom can. Okay. Then another chopped mushroom. Then we'll leave for 15 minutes. Then it's time for us to put the tomato sauce. So this is the original blend tomato sauce. Okay, so original style, I should say. Then we stir, mix everything. Okay, and then for us to have a good blend of the tomato sauce, we put a little of our ketchup. So this is sweet and spicy ketchup. Then we stir. We mix everything. We just mix everything. And finally, we're done with our meaty red sauce. There we go. So next step is we have the container, spread butter in the container, then put the first layer of red sauce to our pan. Then we're done with the first layer. Now we put the second layer, which is the lasagna pasta, or whatever you call that. It's the lasagna. So we put it like that, this way. And then another one. Okay. white sauce. So the white sauce is the cream of mushroom soup. So we put that, spread it for the third layer of our lasagna. Now I just spread everything. That's our third layer. Then after we spread the white sauce, then we put the quick melt cheese. It's already what do you call this? Ground cheese. So there we just spread everything to all sides. Alright. Now we put another layer of the lasagna pasta. Okay, so same process. To make sure that we spread everything for the lasagna. Spread more on the sides. Then now we do the second to the last layer of the red sauce, of our beefy red sauce. Okay, so again we spread so that we make sure that it's even, the distribution of the red sauce is even. Okay, so we spread everything. We just spread it. This is our last layer, second to the last layer, because after this one we put the cheese on top. So we make sure that it's even, the distribution of the red sauce is even, to make sure that it will be well baked. After the red sauce, we place some of the white sauce and now the cheese. So we spread the cheese. And finally, it's complete, presenting to you our beefy lasagna for baking. Then we'll bake it for 15 minutes with the heat of 360 degrees. And this is how it looks like after 10 minutes. This is how it looks like after 15 minutes, and it's ready to be served. So there you go. You were able to see our step-by-step process on how to cook our special beefy lasagna. So hopefully, yun nga, I've mentioned to you na sana pwede nyo rin itong gamitin, or you can actually cook this one during your special occasions. So there you go. I'm about to start my Zoom meeting. So until my next video, I'm going to show you more cooking classes. Bye everyone!